Hey guys, welcome back to the Handy Tech channel. In episode 1 of the Rental Rehab series, we painted a tired old shed, and in episode 2 we flattened out some driveways and built some new garden beds. If you want to check them out, you can find the links for those two videos below. Sweet, on to part 3. One of the last big jobs before we put this house on the market is to take care of the roof. The front half of the house was built in the 1960s, and I'm pretty sure the tin on there is from the 1960s. It's pretty old and damaged. The back half of the house was an addition that was added on, I think in the late 80s, and the tin on there is larger sheets, as is standard now, and it's in far better condition. Regardless of the age, it all looks pretty dodgy and could do with a good paint. So, off to Bunnings. Yeah, favourite store again. We probably went through about 20 litres of paint all up, so yeah, a little bit expensive, but it made it look so much better, and you'll see that towards the end. What you also want to buy is a soft bristle broom and a nice wide paint tray. Now there's a little bit of work that we did before we started painting. Mainly we replaced some of the screws where the rubber washers had perished, and also siliconed a couple spots that could potentially leak. It's also a good idea to give your roof a good sweep and make sure it's as clean as possible. Just a small disclaimer here, I know it's not the safest method being on the roof without some sort of tie off, so if you feel unsafe or feel the need for some sort of safety device, then definitely go ahead and use that. Now those brooms are pretty much just like a big paintbrush, and they can hold a lot of paint, and the long bristles are perfect for matching the contour of the tin. Here's a small time lapse. You can sort of see how much area we were covering in about 10 minutes. You can also see Jace is using a hand brush for some of the smaller stuff and getting in all the areas that the broom can't really get to. The next morning, before we could finish off the painting, I had to repair one of the downlights that's in the lounge, and to do that I stripped off a couple of the sheets of tin. There's no cavity space in the back newer section of the house, so unfortunately it's the only way to get to any of the electrical. When I run the cabling for these lights a few years back, I was smart enough to label everything, and that really helped with fault finding. Unfortunately, I wasn't smart enough to do a good job, so really only costing myself here. At least I got a chance to do it right this time round. I used some nice new cable, and I also got blue points that had 2 locking screws on it, hopefully for a little bit more grip on the cable and to stop the same fault happening again. Sweet, then we can chuck the tin back on. Definitely do it with 2 people, it's way too hard by yourself. Then once we put all the screws back in, it was back on to painting. And that's pretty much all there is to it. We just used a hand brush to go around and tidy up any of the areas that we missed. Cool, on to the next job. Jason had cut up this old pool cover into a shape that fit our pool, as it never had before, and he also mounted this roller into the grounds. Pretty sure we got the roller for free somewhere. It is a little bit too long, but that's not to worry if it's free. And basically what we did was get some paracord and we made up some new ties to tie the pool cover onto the roller. That way when we're ready we can roll it in with the roller, and we also made up a little pull to pull it out across the pool when you want to put it back on. Then we all had a few minor jobs to take care of. I fixed a few cracks and holes in the plaster around the house and also replaced the screws on the front door. And one other thing, I replaced a PowerPoint that had been torn off the wall. Pretty lucky that there wasn't a fire. My younger brother Jordan did a good job in the front pruning the trees. And Jace finished up a little bit of paint on the shed. And that pretty much finishes up this episode. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. See you soon.
Get it! More! Bravo! Bravo!
Oh, he's laughing, man. It's just work.
Get it! Bravo!
Let's get it.